Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news and reviews. Okay, we have here the F57L Smartwatch. It is a health smartwatch packed with several features in fitness and in health. Okay, aside from that, it also supports push notifications. So we are going to check on that, the notification feature of the smartwatch, the call and push notifications. Okay, so this one, the smartwatch, it doesn't have a Bluetooth call but only call and message, as well as app notifications, SMS and app notifications. So we are going to check these features. So if you have any questions regarding F57L Smartwatch, especially the video demo, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so we are already paired with the support app. As you can see here, we have the H-band application. Okay, so let's check first if we already set the permission for the notification. So we have here the phone call, the SMS. It's already activated upon our installation of the application. So we already activated the WhatsApp application. So it supports a lot of applications here, including our application, okay, that we test always, WhatsApp, and we also have the SMS. Okay, so nothing else to set. I guess everything is okay here. So let's try and check if we can receive a notification on the F57L Smartwatch. Okay, so we have here our smartphone. Okay, so let's try first. Okay, let's compose an SMS message here. Hello, this is SMS message. Okay, let's see if we can read the message here on our F57L Smartwatch. Okay, message sent. I guess there's a delay. Okay, so we have here. Okay, hello, this is SMS message. So as you can see, you can read the message here on the smartwatch. You can also clear it. Okay, so it has the time and the date. Okay, let's have another one. Let's have another message. Okay, can it store at least 2 or more messages? Okay, we have here, let's have another message. Okay, so it can store more than one message on your smartwatch. Okay, let's go for the WhatsApp application here. Okay, so let's try a message from WhatsApp. Okay, let's send a message. Message sent. Okay, so we have here the message. Okay, again on the bottom. Okay, so we have a different icon here for the WhatsApp application as well as the SMS. Okay, so it works. Does it support smiley? Let's see. Okay. No, doesn't have support for emoticons. Okay, let's call via the WhatsApp application. So it's now ringing. Okay, so we just have here an incoming voice call and notification. Okay, you cannot receive calls here. Okay, just see notification. Okay, as you can see, it can only store at least 3 messages. We lost the previous 2 SMS messages, as you can see here. Okay, so the storage for the messages is limited on our smartwatch. Okay, for the call, let's see. Calling. Okay, can we receive the call? Okay, as you can see here. Muted. What do you mean by muted? And call. I guess you can mute the call on your phone. Okay, again, let's see. Let's call. Do you hear the call here? And the call. Let's see. Okay, I'm going to call again and let's check the mute function on the smartwatch. Okay, so let's see. I'm going to press on the mute. Okay, so that's the purpose of this one. Okay, it can mute the call on the phone, but it cannot end it. Okay, so I still have to press this one to end the call or to stop the call. Okay, so that's it. So everything works for the call function of the F57L Smartwatch. It is just a call notification. So it has support for SMS notification, app notification, as well as the call notification for the F57L Smartwatch. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding the video demo for the message and call notification of F57L Smartwatch, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Bye.